Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you who don't know, I'm AJ's younger brother, Brandon. Growing up, my queer AJ has always been someone I look up to. But these days I'm taller than him, so that doesn't happen anymore. But honestly, whether it's for helping me with homework, figuring out what to eat for lunch, teaching me that chanelas don't protect your feet from nails, or getting my stolen Pokemon cards back, he has always been there for me, and I love you for that. Atejali, I was hoping to be the best looking person here in the room today, but obviously I failed miserably. You look very beautiful tonight, and you make my brother so happy. Thank you for doing that. He's a good guy. To me, he's the best person you can have by your side. I'm so happy you two found each other. I mean it when I say that I'm gaining a sister today. And I'm so happy for the two of you. May you always find joy in each other and have a lifetime of happiness together. Let's toast to the newlyweds.
Big round of applause.